Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss some objective type questions and answers of the 10th class non-detailed. The name of the story is A Great Son of India. And those questions are published by Orissa BSc Board in the name of a book. The name of the book is Parikha Darpana. Now let's begin with the multiple choice questions. 1. Who is the speaker of this story, A Great Son of India? A. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. B. Swami Vivekananda. C. Premchand. D. Ruskin Bond. Which is correct? Number 1 is correct. Right. Next one is, tell me, which is the next one?
Number 2.
Number 2. Question number 2. Yes. Question number 2 is like this. When did Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan speak this story? A. 90 second. That is not 29, that is 92nd birthday celebration of Swami Vivekananda, 92nd birthday celebration of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 93rd birthday celebration of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, 93rd birthday celebration of Swami Vivekananda. Which is correct?
Number A.
Number A is correct. Number A is correct. Next, Dr. Sarvapalli, number 3. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan speaks about the young saint Santha. A. Gautam Buddha. B. Mahavir Jain. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Which is correct?
Number C.
Number C is correct. Okay. Next one is, what did the students have the great opportunity? A. Writing up Ramakrishna. B. Paramahansa. Sorry. So, A. Writing up Ramakrishna Paramahansa. B. Writing up Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. C. Writings of Buddha. D. Writings of Swami Vivekananda. Which is correct? 4. Number 4. D. Right?
D.
Next.
Yes.
Next one is 5. What have prepared us for the new age of freedom? A. Life and teaching of Swami Vivekananda. B. Writings of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. C. Life of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. D. Writings of Mahavir Jain. Which is correct? 5.
Number A.
Number A is correct. Next one is 6. What are the treasures ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି of India's past? ଅତୀତ, ଭାରତର ଅତୀତର ସମ୍ପତ୍ତି ରତ୍ନ ଗୁଡ଼ା କ'ଣ କ'ଣ? A. Ideals of religion. B. Truth. C. Non-violence. This is non-violence. Right? D. All above. Which is correct?
Number
6.
D.
Number D is correct. 6 number D is correct. Next one is, where did Swami Vivekananda collect the treasure? A. Indian scriptures, Shastra, Purana Shastra, scriptures means. B. Life and saying of his great master. C. Both Indian scriptures and saying of his great master. None of above. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number D.
Which number? D.
Number C.
Number C. Number C is correct. Which number? 7. Now 8. Who was the great master of Vivekananda? A. Gautam Buddha. B. Mahavir Jain. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Which is correct? Number D is correct. Right. Thank you. Next one is, what are the 2 dominant features of our age? प्रमुख प्राधान्य विस्तार करथिबा वैशिष्ट्य गुड़िक कौन? ए. प्लेजर एंड हैप्पीनेस. साइंस एंड डेमोक्रेसी. बिजनेस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. डी. एजुकेशन एंड एग्रीकल्चर. व्हिच इज करेक्ट? 9.
Number B.
B is correct. Science and technology. Thank you. Next one is, a modern man should learn to live with a religion which coordinates A. Intellectual science to spiritual science. Intellectual ज्ञान बौद्धिक concise विवेक to spiritual आध्यात्मिक विज्ञान. B. Religion धर्म to democracy गणतंत्र democracy means. C. Technology ज्ञान कौशल to happiness. D. Education technology to happiness means ज्ञान कौशल technology means ज्ञान कौशल. D. Education to business. Which is correct? 11 10 A number A. This is A, right? Okay, next one is 11. What does a religion approve itself? Intellectual conscience and spiritual science. B. Communalism सांप्रदायिकता. C. Religious difference धार्मिक विभिन्नता. D. Superstition
Number A.
कुसंस्कार. Which is
Number A.
correct? Number A, right? Next one is religion should maintain days. Communalism. B. Spirit of profit. C. Faith of democracy. D. Abstract thinking. Which is correct?
Number C.
Number C is correct. Next one is 13. What is the reason of the edicts of religion? That is which number? This is the 13 number. Could understand? 13 number. This is 13. What is the reason of eclipse? Eclipse.
Tips.
Okay. Right. Which number? 13.
13.
A. Democratic spirit. B. Scientific practice of religion. C. Social activities. D. Unscientific and undemocratic
Number
practice
D.
of religion. Which is
Number
correct?
D.
Number D. 13. Number D. Okay. Next one is what are the subject to the law of the time? Carved stone, heroic act, great civilization, all the above.
Number D.
13. 14 is equal to number D. Right? All above. 15. What are the parts of history? Our acts and thoughts, our deeds of heroism, political structure, all the above. Which is correct? 15.
Number D.
Number D. 15 number D. Next one is that is 16. According to Radhakrishnan, we have the essence of God, forsakenness because days. A. Implicit awareness of ultimate reality, precariousness of the world, religious difference. Next, none. Which is correct? Say 16. A.
Number
A. A. Next one is 17. From where do we get an explanation to the fundamental maulika problems? A. The scriptures. B. The Upanishad. C. Paintings. D. The carved stones. 17. 17.
Number B.
Number
B.
B. Next. Next one is 18. What is Vedas according to great Sir? Sir is Sadhu Santa. Intellectual writings, argument of books, the register of the spiritual experience, logical arguments. Which is correct? Tell me.
Number
18.
A.
Number
C.
18.
C.
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 Next one is 19. What did Vivekananda say about Vedas? Accumulated treasure of spiritual laws, accumulated Gachita, treasure Ratna of spiritual laws, Advantika Niyama. B. Scientific ideas. C. Book of intellectual ideas, Bauddhika Dharana. D. Logical establishment of ideas.
Number A.
Number A. Number A. Which number? This is. Tell me. Which number?
Number A.
This is 19. 19 number A. Next 20. What did Vivekananda compare religion with? A. Spiritual laws. B. Yoga. C. Democracy. D. Science. Which is correct?
Number D.
20. 20.
1. 20.
20 number
B.
B. Next, 21. How did he understand yoga? It is a personal change. It is a reconditioning of one's nature. It is awakening of the life. D all. 21. D.
Number D.
Yes.
Number D.
Next one is your 22. Which yogas have been discussed by him in his writings? A. Jnana Yoga and Raj Yoga. B. Bhakti Yoga and Karma Yoga. C. Raj Yoga and Karma Yoga. D. Jnana Yoga, Raj Yoga, Bhakti Yoga and Karma Yoga. Which is
Number
correct?
D.
Number D is correct. Which number? 22. Okay.
Yes.
Next one is how can these books on yoga help someone to reach heaven is Swarga, to attain happiness, to reach at the goal of spiritual realization? D. None. Which is correct? 23.
C.
Number C. 23. Right. Next one is 24. Which is the intolerance? Assigns to the which is intolerance? Expression of religious pride, religious humility, expression of egocentric aham bhava, religious supremacy. Which is correct?
Number A.
Number A, 24A. Right, thank you. Next one is according to Radhakrishnan, we are a secular because A. We regard other religions are supreme. B. Other religions are not sacred pavitra. C. We regard all religion as sacred. D. We regard our religion as supreme, sarvocha. So supreme is sarvocha. So 25 is C.
Number C.
Number C. Next one is 26. Vivekananda felt miserable about death. A. Religious forwardness of India. B. Religious backwardness of India. Forward means pragati, backward is pachua. D. C. Democratic development. D. Development of science and technology. Which is correct? 26. B. That is religious backwardness of India. Next one is our religion is confused with so much. A. Languages. B. Differences in food and class. C. Scientific development. And D. Obscurantism and superstition. Which is correct? 28 is C.
Number D.
Number D. Number which is
27.
27. Number
D.
D. That is number D.
Yes.
Okay, that is number D. 27. Okay. Next one is 28. Days protested strongly against the abuse of our religion. A. Gautam Buddha. B. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Which is correct? Number C is correct. With this, that is the end of today's English lesson class. We shall discuss the other questions and answers of the other topics in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.